Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and take a look at your Gumroad fees. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com if you have not already. And once you do that, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into our account. So in the upper right corner, if you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in. So after logging in and accessing your dashboard, this is what it's going to look like. And right here, the left side of the screen, you're going to go and be able to take a look at all the sections you can access for managing your store, such as home, products, collaborators, and so on. So let's go and take a look how to go ahead and see the fees for your Gumroad store. Here on the left side of the screen, we are going to scroll all the way down and find this help section right here. So here you're going to click on help. This is going to enable you to take a look at the help center with all the articles and supported tickets that you have. And from here, we can get started using this search bar right here. Using the search bar is going to enable us to search for fees, and this is going to show us all the Gumroad fees that we can see. So by clicking Gumroad fees, this is going to open up this article for Gumroad fees where you can go and take a look at them, such as the credit card processing and the PayPal fees. And sales made through Gumroad's marketplace are subject to a flat 30% fee. So keep that in mind as well. So if you want to get started selling, this is what you need to know. So if you need any more help, find this article right here and take a look at the fees for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.